Hello guys, welcome to South Asia Tech. Do you want to add Google Trends in your blog like this by using WPBakery? In this video, I will show you how you can add Google Trends in your blog using WPBakery page builder. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. Once you logged into your site, go to the plugins and click on Add New. Click on Upload plugin. Choose file from your computer. Install Ultimate VC add-ons. You can download it from your browser. You have to purchase this plugin. Now click on Install. Now your plugin was successfully installed. Click on Replace current with Uploaded. You will receive an Activate button here. Just click on it. Now your plugin was successfully installed. Go back to dashboard. After this, go to pages, edit page in which you want to add Google Trends. Click on Edit with WPBakery page builder. Now click on Backend Editor. Scroll down to the end of post. Click on this plus icon. You can see Ultimate VC add-on section. Click on it. Here you can see Google Trends widget. Select it. Now here you can add 5 words that will compare the searches on internet. For example, I am typing cricket, hockey, football, baseball, and rugby. Now check the location. You can select a specific country or whole world. I'm going with whole world. Now select graph type, change frame height, leave it for now, just save changes, just update the page. Now view the page. Scroll down. You can see the top searches from 2004. Now go back to editor. We will select a worldwide map. Edit this widget. Change graph type to regional interest in map. Save changes. Update the page and view the page. Scroll down. Now you can see world map. Check this include low search volume regions. Now you can see every country shown in this map. You can check trends of such trends there. Now I will select a specific country. Let's add Australia and save changes. Now update and view the page. Scroll down to the end of page. Here you can see top trends in Australia. By clicking on these three lines, you can see a table view. Go back to editor, edit this widget. You can select any other country, for example Turkey. You can change regional interest in table, save changes, update, and view the page. Now here you can see trending searches in Turkey. That's how you can add Google Trends in your WordPress website using WP Bakery Page Builder. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.